It's Lams here. You're welcome to today's episode. In my previous video, I discussed the 6 things you need to know before buying a smartphone. If you'd like to check out that video, click the link up here to check out that video. And before we go, let's change studio.
You don't know why it's going on.
There must be a technical issue, so let's proceed. If this is your first time here, let's try it one more time. Anyways, if this is your first time here in my channel, click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to get weekly updates of my videos. Straight into the video. The 6 best apps or top apps I'm going to be discussing today are chosen based on my preference and some features they have that I really like. There are billions of apps on the Play Store and most of them are very, very good. So these ones I'm choosing today are chosen based on the features they offer that I find very useful. And in the subsequent months to come, I'll also be choosing some other apps that I think would be the best for the month. So stay tuned to my channel to get more of these videos. These apps I'm going to be discussing may have some features or characteristics that you will probably like. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. The 6th app on my list is the 3D Parallax Background app. It falls within the range of customization apps in the Play Store. It's an app that helps you customize your device and it also comes at a price. Personally, I think it is well deserving of the price. I bought the app just to test for this video and I found it very, very good and I'm using it right now. This app has its pros and cons, good and bad sides. So I'm going to be discussing them. They are not so much. The main function of the app is that it allows you set 4D wallpapers in your device, meaning you have this sort of moving wallpapers in your device. And you can see that on the screen right now. I'm not able to get the exact view I want to give to you because I don't have a secondary camera to kind of like show you how I'm doing it. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm moving the device and you can see that the wallpaper is changing. In the app there are different wallpapers you can set and they are very, very, very attractive and in HD too if you like things like that. Moving it, you get that sort of look you can see on the screen right now, which is very good. So the cons of this app, which I would say is that it's paid, and that is not really a con for me because it's just a price you pay for the hard work of the developer. The second con is that it consumes battery. So when you're using this wallpaper, you should make sure your device already has a good battery backup. If it doesn't have a good battery backup, you would not really like the app because it drains battery more. And the third con of this app is that it doesn't work on devices without a gyroscope. And this makes sense because it is using the gyroscope to kind of like give you that kind of wallpaper, that movement. So if you install this app on a device that has no gyroscope, you would find it's just static or it will just give you a black background. I hope you go and try it out and most probably like it. Let's go to the next one. The 5th app on my list is the Google Keep. Basically what this app does is it is a notes app. It is an app that keeps notes for you. You can just write something down and it will keep it for you. You're probably thinking there's a lot of notes app on Play Store and why do I prefer this one and why do I think this one is my best app for this month? Well, I'll tell you the reasons why. The Google Keep allows you to set a reminder for any notes you have, and obviously there are some apps that do this already, that have this feature, and I just like Google's reminder. And it's just, as I said at the beginning of this video is based on just my preference. You may not like it. The second thing I like about the Google Keep is that it backs up all your notes on your Google Drive seamlessly. What I mean by seamlessly is that you don't even know. Once you have your mobile data turned on, it does it for you. What this means is that whenever you format your device or you want to install the Google Keep app, you can simply restore your notes by reinstalling the Google Keep app and logging in to your Gmail, and boom, your notes will be back in the Google Keep app. Isn't this amazing? That's why I like the Google Keep app. There are other apps too that actually allow you to back up your notes to a certain drive, maybe Google Drive or Dropbox, but I don't really think they are just as seamless as the Google Keep. And that is why the Google Keep is the 5th app on my list. The 4th app on my list is the Threema, and it is a messaging app. It is an app you use for chatting. I'm sure you're probably thinking, You see, there's WhatsApp, there's IMO, there's Telegram, and so much more. Why Threema? Well, I'll tell you why. First, you need to know that Threema is a paid app too. You can see the price on the screen here. The reason why this app is one of my best apps for this month is because it focuses on security and privacy, and that's something I really like. It is an app that is focused on that, meaning your messages cannot be seen by anyone else, or will hardly be seen by someone else. I noticed when you install the app and you're setting it up, you have to set a key pair randomly by tracing your fingers across the screen, and it will generate a key pair for you. And seeing this, I don't think two people can perform this same action exactly the same way to generate the same key pair. So that's something that is a bit secure. When the key pair is generated, what it does is, if I'm chatting with you, it sends you my public key. So you use my public key to send me a message. Now, once you use that key to send me a message, I will decode that message, decrypt that message with my own private key. And that private key is stored safely on my device, as Threema explained it, and I think that's the best explanation for it. So what they're saying is that your messages are very secure. Another feature of the Threema app I liked was its echo test, and what this does is that you can send a message and you get that same reply for that message. I mean, you can just text yourself, "I love you," and I promise you get that reply immediately. So I think it's a pretty good feature. The Threema app also allows you to create a poll, and this is something I've always wanted in most of the messaging apps we have out there, except for the Telegram app, which is doing pretty great these days too. The Threema app allows you to create a poll for people to vote. Maybe you're voicing an opinion in a group. You can just simply create a poll, and many people will let their opinion be known through that polling unit. And these are some of the features I found interesting about the Threema app. You can check it out on the Google Play Store. And let's go to the next best app for me. The third app on my list is the Flamingo for Twitter. And this was an app I noticed on the channel of one of my favorite YouTubers, Marcus Brownlee. And what this app does is that it puts your Twitter posts, or it arranges your Twitter feeds in a chronological order. What I mean by this is that everything is in a descending form in time. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. You can see it on the screen. Once you open your feed, you see that the posts come in an order where it is from the latest to later. Maybe you see a post from 13 minutes ago, then you come below that, you see a post from 24 minutes ago, you come below that, you see a post of an hour ago, and you come below that, you see a post of 3 hours ago. You get what I'm saying? So that's the basic feature of the app, which I really like. And I wish Instagram and Facebook could implement this in their app too. It's a very good feature. I think Instagram had it way back and they removed it for some reasons I don't know, and I really don't understand. But I hope they bring that feature back, because it is a very useful feature. It keeps your feed organized and it saves you a lot of time. It's very efficient. You can also try this app out, although you won't find it on Play Store because it was an app that came out a pretty long time ago and they've kind of like removed it from the Play Store. Leave a comment and I'll be sure to tell you how to get the Flamingo for Twitter. It is a very good app and I'm sure you like it. The second app on my list is... Can you guess it? Well, if you did guess, I'm pretty sure you got it right. It's the TikTok app. Well, this app has been on the Play Store for quite a long time. It's been there since 2015, and I only took notice of it in this particular month. It's actually pretty great, and I see the reason why a lot of people use it. Mostly for me, I love apps or platforms that allows you to create, that gives you the power of creativity. And this is basically what TikTok does. You are able to upload videos, and with so much to do, so much things you can apply to that video, so much effects and filters and speed changing, and it's very exciting actually. The TikTok is my second best app for this month. There's so much I can say about it, but I will just allow you to go check it out yourself. It's very, very good. And I'm sure you've probably seen videos made with TikTok. So let's get to the number one app on my list for this month of August. The number one app on my list is... Wait, I'll give you 5 seconds to guess.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And time's up. Is the KindMaster app. The KindMaster app is a video editing app on the Google Play Store. And it is one of the best video editing apps on the Google Play Store, if not the best. In my opinion, it is the best. I started video editing just about a couple of months ago. I started with Adobe Premiere Pro. It was a pretty shabby experience for me because my PC wasn't very good. The performance was really poor. I wasn't really able to use the Adobe Premiere Pro app very well. So I had to switch to my device since that was a little better for video editing. I'm using the OnePlus 6, by the way, which is very good for video editing. And I use the KindMaster app on my OnePlus 6 to edit the videos I post on YouTube or anywhere else. And I'll tell you right now, it is very good. The KindMaster has this professional look to it, which you won't find in any video editing app on the Google Play Store. The KindMaster app has a lot of overlays, text, fonts. It has a lot of stickers and many things. As long as you pay a little premium price monthly, you have to pay monthly to use the KindMaster app to get premium features, or you can just use the free version, which would just add a watermark to your videos and you won't get the full features of the KindMaster app. I'd advise you pay that price if you're a video editor. You would really enjoy it. If you don't know how to go about using the KindMaster app, you can get tutorials provided by KindMaster on YouTube on their channel and follow those tutorials to use the KindMaster app very well. It is very the chroma key. Now, chroma key, if you don't know, allows you to remove a background which with a uniform color. So if I have a background, mostly what people use is green, the green screen. You might have heard of it. What KindMaster does in this scenario is that once you add a video that has a green screen, it automatically detects it and gives you the option to use the chroma key to remove that background. I think that's basically it on KindMaster. There's so much more I could say, and I'll just allow you to use it and see how it is for you. If you're a video editor of any sort, I'd advise you to use the KindMaster app. You would really find it useful. Anyways, I think that's my 6th best app for this month. Watch out for the subsequent months to know what apps I would also choose in those months to come. It's Yusilam here once again. Remember, exploration is key to discovery. The more you explore, the more you discover. See you in my next video. Ciao. But before then, let's try it. Okay, it's still not working. See you in my next video. Ciao.